Alright, so we are in Seminyak, Petitengger today. We're gonna have a dinner, starting today's vlogs, having a dinner, but it's very sad because we have a very bad headache.
I drink my Panadol today.
This
And
is not
then-
paid endorsement for Panadol, guys.
And I've got my coffee and drink. I don't know, I feel like so bad headache. Maybe because wearing mask too long, and then I
Yeah.
got lack of oxygen. I feel like, oh, that's so
I
bad.
think so. Anyway, our food, pizza, of course, and beautiful. What is it?
Caesar salad.
Looks very nice. Okay. Smacznego.
Smacznego.
Alright, so yeah, after our food, Sayang, do you feel better now?
Oh my god, I feel much better.
Alright,
So the Panadol really saved me from my bad headache.
that's
So
good.
good.
I'm so happy to hear that. And we're gonna show you the area of Seminyak, Petitengger now.
Okay, so we were in the Italian job. Yeah, why I was there? Because they have like 50% discount, and then this one next door is the famous Rumors Bar and Grill.
Unfortunately, closed.
Yeah, unfortunately
Unfortunately.
still closed.
And that's how it looks on the street.
Oh my
What?
god, it is small rain nowadays.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay, let's
Should
go.
be fine. Should be fine. And here is the Circle K where I used to buy the Panadol. I didn't record exactly the voice, but next to this shop they tried to sell me a Viagra, but I said I'm fine without.
No, you should say that you don't need to have a Viagra. You already have a huge one.
But if you really need, just go to the Circle K next to the Rumors. The guys looks like they are very desperate to sell you something. So yeah.
Yeah, because before I got a very bad headache, and then I asked Damian when I was in the restaurant, I asked Damian to buy me a Panadol. But instead of selling Panadols, I mean,
I bought the Panadol in the shop, but on the way that was quite, I had to say no to many people who tried to sell me different stuff. Anyway, back to the topic, back to the streets of Seminyak. Bamboo Blonde for dresses. Here is the Apotek and Uluvatu. That's actually shops, boutiques, because Seminyak is also famous for the boutiques and shops. Honey, do you need any dress today?
no thanks.
Okay, that's good. That's actually good. And the streets of Seminyak in general, they are not that busy as we could expect.
So when we were in the Italian job, I think that few months ago, right before
Yeah,
the
like,
PPKM,
few months ago.
It was a very packed of people, and then yeah, when we were there, only some people left. I think that it's really like many people already left. Somewhere going somewhere. I mean, it's really
Yeah.
like a exodus, right?
And only local people mostly was there. Not many expats to compare to the last time. And meanwhile, that's how it look like. If you are looking for rent something, here we go. Quite plenty places for rent around. This is the Kimberley Spa. If you are interested, here is some. Quite difficult to walk on the streets of Bali. Even nobody is around, but if somebody is around, they're trying to drive me in. Anyway, back to the topic. Here, it's something abandoned. Unfortunately, happy birthday. Somebody put the graffiti, and here's supposed to be in the future something, but it's also not that really optimistic. View. Yo, what's up? How you doing? All good? Yeah. Working hard? Yeah. That's not good. Take.
No money, I went.
Oh my goodness,
All right.
that's how it is,
That's how
right?
it is.
No money, no honey.
No money, no honey. His wife was not happy, but what to do? Anyway, so many buildings are already like really abandoned, guys. This is not even for rent. It just looks deserted. Here are some ladies waiting for the massage or maybe for other services. I don't know. It's up to you. And another place for rent, and another place for rent, and another place for rent. Actually, all of them they are for rent. So I'm not gonna repeat that. It's sad. Actually, it's sad. It's going more and more quiet. There are some Alphards driving around, but that's mostly local people, tourists or business people. Yeah, we are heading into the direction of La Favela, and so that's a big surprise. I think La Favela is open because I see some lights over there.
Yeah, I think nowadays slowly, like restaurants, bars, nightclub, even like they are opening slowly. I think and even that on the left here, the shop a long time ago was closed, like selling the fake Gucci and everything.
Yeah, but
And then
now...
even the fake Deus there.
Fake Deus. So, this how it looks like. Here is some restaurant, barbecue, grilling. This
so nice.
belongs to the Coco Group market. Anyway, here is the La Favela. For sure we cannot get inside and make a video, so at least from the outside, from the street, we can show you around. This is open, and this is the first time open since very long time. It looks really not so bad, but I think definitely I cannot record inside. Here is the Coco Mart open. There is the restaurant, bar open. And what is another surprise is here, red carpet is closed. That's actually quite a surprise because red carpet usually was actually open in the normal conditions.
Yeah,
Where-
I think that last time, red carpet always open no matter what.
Yeah.
What is it, PSBB, and then open, then yeah, they always open, but at this time they
Seems
closed.
like not anymore. But that's actually big surprise because when everything here was closed, everything literally, the red carpet was open, but now it's not. It's closed. And I don't know why, but everybody looking at me today here. I don't know why. Johnny Rockets, burgers, shakes and fries. Taxi waiting for you guys. Today was the Balinese ceremony, so many cars have offerings on the car.
Yeah, so I forgot to tell you that today is Tumpak Landap, especially for Balinese. They will pray on everything is made of metal. So yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Here is the teeth whitening if you would like to whitening your teeth, but it's closed anyway. It may be open during the daytime. There are some another massage ladies at the front waiting for you guys.
Night, where is the massage shop?
There they are, massage ladies. Anyway, gelato factory if you would like to have a gelato with your new massage friend. In case, I'm just suggesting. And here is the shop. Sun hour. Some boutiques are open here, but in general, not that. Here's some under construction, Fipper sandal shop. This company never bankruptcy, but they are very affordable sandals. Yeah, that's how it is. Okay, we are heading to the front. There is the one famous restaurant at the corner, so maybe will be some life over there. Anyway, all these buildings for rent. Actually, they are just empty.
I think that building that is for rent used to be like boutique shop, and look at on the left, it's also for rent.
For rent, for rent, for rent, and just for rent. So yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, and I think there are another massage ladies here. So that's how it looks like. Hello. Even friendly this time actually. Big surprise. But that's nice actually. I'm happy. Situation, life in Seminyak during the weekend time. It's not weekdays, it's weekend time. So you could expect this is a little bit more busier actually. Okay, corner house. This is also a very famous place for food. We were here once, make a vlog, and it was busy. And I think now it's also quite busy, not that bad. There are some people around also. So let's see if we can make some snap looking more deep inside the restaurant. It's not really like easy to make, but yeah, here is even some traffic for a while. You could think is busy, but it's just at the moment, just currently the situation.
I think that's all our video today from Jalan Kayu Raya Seminyak. It seems some restaurants are already open, La Favela, Italian Job, and behind me Kona House open, and yeah, the rest remain closed. And based on my observation, you know, like the visitors mainly domestic tourists. So yeah, I think that's all our video today, guys. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.